Following routine maintenance, a Qantas Airbus A380 operated multiple flights, flying almost 300 hours with a tool inside one of its engines, an ATSB report has revealed. Find out more in this edition of the Inside Story. The incident began on December 6, 2023, when an Airbus A380 registered Victor Hotel, Oscar, Quebec, India, underwent scheduled maintenance. The maintenance activity was performed at Los Angeles International Airport. Engineers accidentally left the tool in the left outboard engine's inlet during a borescope inspection on the first day. 2 days later, without anyone noticing the missing tool, the aircraft received clearance to fly and departed for Melbourne. By the time of its discovery in January 2024, the A380 had completed 34 flight cycles, accumulating nearly 294 flight hours with the tool inside. Surprisingly, while the powerful airflow had warped the tool, the engine sustained no damage during these flights, highlighting the robust design of modern aircraft engines. The ATSB Chief Commissioner Angus Mitchell explained the situation, saying, "Our investigation revealed two critical oversights. Engineers failed to detect the tool during foreign object checks after the borescope inspection. Then they didn't initiate the required lost tool procedure when the tool went missing." The investigation highlighted the importance of following established maintenance protocols and the potential risks associated with overlooking standard safety procedures. This incident served as a wake-up call for the industry regarding the critical nature of tool control and accountability during maintenance operations. Mitchell emphasised the broader implications of the incident. Foreign objects pose serious risks to aircraft safety. That's why we have strict regulations and procedures for maintenance. Proper tool control serves as a crucial defence against human error. He added that this event serves as a reminder to the entire aviation industry about the importance of maintaining strict adherence to maintenance procedures and tool control protocols. In response to the maintenance incident, Qantas Engineering implemented comprehensive measures to prevent similar occurrences in the future. The airline immediately conducted extensive staff briefings to reinforce the importance of proper tool management and accountability. These sessions emphasised the critical nature of ensuring all tools are properly accounted for and returned to the tool store after maintenance work. The company also strengthened its tool control protocols, requiring more rigorous documentation and verification processes for all maintenance equipment. Additionally, Qantas issued an internal safety directive that reinforced existing company tool control policies and introduced new oversight measures to ensure compliance. All eyes will now be on whether similar incidents have occurred or whether this is just a one-off. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more videos on the AviationSource YouTube channel. Also, be sure to subscribe to our eco program, which will support us in our journey of making the environment a better place to live. For now, this has been the Inside Story, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.